Over the last few years, Volvo has been busy electrifying its entire product range. You can now buy a plug-in hybrid version of every model in the lineup, and in some cases, there's more than one to choose from. But what about pure electric? We've seen Audi, Mercedes, and even Jaguar zero-emissions models just take off, whilst Volvo has sat back and watched. Well, we need wait no more. This is the Volvo XC40 Recharge P8.
The electric XC40 features a big 78 kWh battery, returning a range of around 249 miles on a single charge. Volvo says a top-up from an 11 kW home wall box will take less than 8 hours, while a 0 to 80% charge from a 150 kW CCS rapid charger should take around 40 minutes. With an electric motor on each axle providing 4-wheel drive, the XC40 Recharge produces a sizable 402 brake horsepower and 660 Nm of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 62 miles an hour takes 4.9 seconds, and like all Volvos, top speed is limited to 112 miles an hour. We had about 90 minutes in this new XC40 Electric, and it's safe to say it's one of the quietest cars on the road. Pure electric SUVs like the Audi e-tron set a new benchmark for refinement, and the Volvo very nearly keeps pace. Performance is plentiful. Put your foot down and you'll find acceleration is instant. The XC40 P8 takes off, and grips well too thanks to its effective all-wheel drive system. It's certainly not as sharp as a Jaguar I-Pace, nor is it as fun to drive as a Polestar 2, but you have few complaints about comfort. The XC40 is an exceptional cruiser, and a car that, thanks to its decent real-world range, should fit seamlessly into your life without so much as a flicker of range anxiety.
Now, styling-wise, there's very little to tell this electric version of the XC40 apart from its petrol or diesel siblings. At the front, you've obviously got this blanked-out grille, but down the side, it's business as usual. There are a few little details though. There's these recharge badges on the C-pillar, there's another badge on the boot lid, and of course, there are no exhaust pipes. There is one major difference inside, and it's all hidden away in this central infotainment screen. The XC40 P8 is running a Google-powered infotainment system similar to that you find in the Polestar 2, albeit on a dashboard and a screen that is unchanged from the conventional XC40. You get a full suite of Google automotive services, including Google Assistant and Google Maps, and you get 4 years of data included too.
The fact the interior is so similar to the conventional XC40 is no bad thing. It's built to a fantastic standard, and there's loads of space for the family. The boot is a good size, and there's a 30-litre storage space under the bonnet, perfect for storing the car's charge cables. Standard equipment, in addition to that central screen, includes a 12.3-inch driver's display, keyless entry and start, plus a 3-pin charging cable. You'll need to pay extra if you want to utilise the greater power of a home wall box or an untethered public charge point. Buyers get 19-inch wheels as standard, as well as a choice of 8 exterior colour options, including a unique sage green shade and an optional black contrasting roof. Of course, being a Volvo, safety is paramount. In fact, the maker says it's one of the safest cars it has ever built, completely redesigning the front end to cope with the absence of an internal combustion engine, whilst also devising an aluminium cage to protect the car's battery in the event of a collision. It's also the first Volvo to benefit from the firm's advanced driver assistance systems, featuring several radars, cameras and ultrasonic sensors.
If Volvo's Recharge plug-in hybrid models are anything to go by, this, its first all-electric model, should be a great sales success. Demand for EVs is growing by the day, and on this brief first encounter, the XC40 P8 feels as accomplished as anything in this area of the market. But its biggest problem comes from within. The super cool Polestar 2 dips in under that all-important 50k barrier. But with cheaper models on the horizon, this XC40 with its fashionable SUV body, its decent real-world range and its excellent refinement, all these factors should ensure this model's long-term success.
Head to DrivingElectric.com for all the latest electric and hybrid car advice, news and reviews, and check us out on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Finally, while you're here, make sure you hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel and turn on notifications to ensure you never miss a video.